Hi, today in front of me Galaxy M14 and I'll show you how to customize Always on Display option on this device. So let's first just unlock the device and open the Muviz Edge application. Now just here select one, for example, let's use the another tab, this one, or just let's use this tab. Click to apply. If you want to change the backgrounds of the stem, you just should slide to the left to the down. Click just to apply. To change music control, to hide them after 10 seconds, or just to don't hide them, slide to the left or to the right side this white dot. Here to show notifications or the date, we should click on the switchers. To show battery style, which is always while charging or never, just switch the options. Click to X icon, switch AOD to the settings, tap to Always on Display, and here we can turn on or turn off the Always on Display option by click on the switcher on the right upper corner. To show it on lock screen always while device charging or when we'll play the music, we should just click on each of these options. Just to change brightness level, we should also slide this white dot to the left or to the right side. Also, we can switch here screen timeout from 15 seconds just to never. To change the screen orientation, just like auto, portrait, landscape, reverse landscape. To close it with a double or single tap on the lock screen. If you use fingerprint unlock method, to close it with a fingerprint or on screen off. To set the shadow, the start and the end time, and to use the pocket mode or to disable the AOD option during the calls. So that's it. That's how to customize Always on Display option on our Galaxy M14 device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.